Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm here with our new project car, this 2023 Toyota GR Supra 3.0. We're going to find out how the stock exhaust sounds on this car. So I purchased the car without test driving it. First time I ever did that. Was very curious to see or hear how it actually sounded, and I think it sounds pretty good. So let's start her up in normal mode, and then we'll put it in sport, give it a couple revs, and then we'll take the camera inside and we'll find out how it sounds from inside the car. So if you're interested in finding out how a stock Toyota Supra sounds, then stay tuned.